Hey everyone, today I'm going to be making some Hawaiian style meatballs in a crock pot, and I figured I'd show you all my recipe. I started with a family sized bag of Homestyle Meatballs, 2 green bell peppers, some sugar-free barbecue sauce, and a couple cans of crushed and pineapple tidbits. Go ahead and start off by cutting up 2 bell peppers. Now the size for these, I don't like them to be too small but also not too large, so I'd say about an inch for each piece is fine. Once you've cut those up, go ahead and start up your crock pot on high. You will be cooking on high for anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. Now we open up our meatballs to get them ready. I like to use the sugar-free barbecue sauce sometimes just to cut back on the sugar in the recipe, but feel free to use any barbecue sauce you like. I also like the sweet and spicy option. Now I'm adding some pineapple tidbits with all the pineapple juice in there. I know some people only put a little bit, but with how many meatballs are in there, it's fine. I also like using these crushed pineapples so you get a good amount of pineapple pieces in every bite. If you like pineapple but don't love pineapple, you can just do one or the other. I like to use both. Then you're gonna go ahead and get that all mixed up. Then you're gonna add 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and we're gonna mix one more time. In go your cut up green bell peppers, and of course, we're gonna mix again. Now I know you could put all this in and then mix it. I don't know why I do things the way that I do, but you can mix in the way that you like. Lastly, you're gonna go ahead and add in your bag of meatballs and then mix it all together. Now I did forget to record it because I completely forgot, but I also added about 1/4 cup of basil and a splash of soy sauce too. Once you have all your ingredients together, you're gonna go ahead and get it mixed up to where it looks like this. And I really like making this recipe because it is super affordable and it actually makes quite a bit of food. I also like to make some steamed rice that we put the meatballs over, so it always ends up just looking and tasting amazing. See you guys in 2-3 hours. Alright, so I ended up letting them sit closer to 4 hours, and as you can see, they are all ready for some grubbing and they smell amazing. Make sure to cook up some white rice as well, then you can grab yourself a serving and place them right alongside or on top of the rice. This recipe is super affordable, and I ended up only spending about $20 on the ingredients, not counting the seasonings I had at home. I also added some parsley on top for color and flavoring. Hope you enjoyed my video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more homestyle cooking recipes in the future. Take it easy, and have a wonderful day.